Black Panther, $1 billion film, this movie is. Amazing.
Yeah, it's exciting. I feel really proud to be involved with it, yeah.
It's such a great time for this movie. I feel like everybody needed this movie. Give us all just a dose of inspiration. And Winston Duke was just here.
Oh, was he?
And we were chatting. Winston Duke, another star in the film, it's his first movie ever in life. And he was talking about, it was like a pinch me experience to go through this.
He's amazing. I mean, I remember when he was doing the first fight scene, when he first came in, I was like, it was like electrifying when he came outside and they were all like chanting as they were coming down. It was really powerful.
It's amazing. And it's that kind of movie you just get chills over and over. And look at that costume. They just put up a picture of Winston's costume. Amazing sets, amazing costumes. I mean, is a film like that just as exciting for you with so much experience in life? Do you still go in there and be like, oh my God, this is so cool?
I was excited to be on it because, I mean, I know the director, Ryan Coogler, and I thought he was amazing, and the cast was amazing, and Chadwick and Lupita. And so it was exciting to be able to go and do it, you know? And I think it's been really exciting, too, to see people's response, the way they're receiving the movie, and kind of like feeling like it's almost a movement of people like
it is a movement.
behind it. Yeah.
It really is.